In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can add view product on your Instagram story. You can simply add get orders on your Instagram story in just few simple steps. To do this, simply open up your Instagram. On the story section, tap on this sticker icon right here. Then select Get Order Sticker. You will have to add the product image. You can add multiple images if you want. Then add any title. It can be the product name. After proceed and add the amount you sell your product. Press done and that's how your story will look like. If any of your Instagram followers taps on this product, it will directly take them to the request order page. That's how easy it is to add view product on Instagram story. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.